As the name suggests, at Green Retreats, we really care about the environment and making sure we're doing our bit. From our materials and methods to our suppliers, we take our responsibility to the environment very seriously. Green Retreats garden rooms are also built using FSC certified timber, meaning for every 1 tree used in our garden rooms, there are 5 trees planted in its place. Where quality is not compromised, we make sure to use second life materials or recyclable materials within our garden rooms. This includes our composites and even our UPVC, preventing any horrible plastics ending up in our oceans. What's more, all our garden rooms are perfectly insulated, so you don't need to spend too much throughout the year on heating. Where we can, we produce materials for our garden rooms in-house. This allows us to manage and maintain the quality and sustainability of our products. Our showrooms, factory and offices are totally carbon neutral. Our production facility, as well as our flagship showroom and offices, are connected to one of the largest solar power grids in the country. We carefully check our carbon emissions each year, and any residual carbon is offset against positive projects around the world that help combat climate change. We're also proud to say that no waste goes to landfill from our garden room production. Being landfill free means everything is carefully recycled, or if it can't be recycled, then incinerated, which actually goes to power a local village power grid. All our partners and suppliers are carefully selected, meaning we only work with companies who share similar values and ideals to us. Where possible too, we work with local suppliers, helping to cut down on travel time and emissions. To find out more about our eco policy or one of our garden rooms, you can request one of our brochures either online or receive a paper version in the post. These are printed with vegetable ink and made using recycled paper. This means they can be thrown away with no guilt, but hopefully you'll like it too much to do that.